guides, I hope you can hear me because it is hella windy here, but we are at Japfest at Silverstone. Love this event, always love this event. We are here alongside with Tirestreets and Samco this weekend. They're going to be looking after us, you're going to be seeing some more from them. We are going to be running the bigger 285 651s from Tirestreets this weekend. Looking forward to trying those out, as well as the new alignment settings as well from Jason, who's been working really hard on the car for us just recently. Hoping this stuff just stays as cloud, doesn't turn into rain, but if the wind is still here, hopefully we'll get rid of it pretty sharpish. Anyway, I need to get in my suit now, get the car warmed up, we'll get ready to queue up for session number 1. So let's have it.
How did that go, Bizz?
Wow, well, Jason has worked some amazing wonders on this thing. So, front anti-roll bar on now, and also his new alignment where we're actually gaining toe in the harder and faster we go. I think it's the first ever time I've actually genuinely gained on anyone during a chase. So yeah, Harry was putting on a mint lead line for me, managed to set up a nice gap and then just slowly rein him in and sat where I wanted to the whole way round. So positive. So can't wait to get out for round 2 now. So that's the second session done. Bit of an early stop for us, unfortunately, because there was a bit of a fuel spillage. As you still hear and see, the wind is still up, but it's not stopping the fun that we're having here today. We've got the 200 treadwear 285 tyres on the rear. Definitely can tell a little bit of the difference in the grip levels compared to the 100s on the 265s earlier, but still smoking out the place, still chasing down people and managing to gain on them as well. So win-win in my book. Got the longevity as well, which is awesome. So yeah, we're now going to go in, have a little bit of an autograph session, get ready for some special smoky tyres for this afternoon, and yeah, we're hopefully going to smoke this place out. There we go. No, do it. That is the best way to transport. Right. Hey man, what's that for you? Sign that, please. So just had an absolute manic signing session, went through 200 posters in a few minutes. Had the guys from Samco here as well with their keyring selection, proving ever popular. I think Mr. Denham is getting in there as well. Look at that.
Hello there.
Smiling, yes. So yeah, it's been a really good day, and the sun is coming out. So yeah, it's going to be a good afternoon session. Final one for today. Then we'll go and see Andy in Tirestreets and have a chat about how good the accelerator will be today. Okay guys, that is us done at Japfest for 2024. What a day it was. We had so much fun out in the Z, running the last session without the bonnet on. So you guys can obviously see and hear what's been going on with the engine, see the suspension. Obviously the orange smoke went down a storm. Unfortunately we didn't quite get into the trophies today, but it was definitely up in the being talked about with the judges, which is good. Feeling really happy with how the car has been performing today as well. So absolute blind river day, and the sun came out eventually to say hello. So yeah, winner for us. Gonna get packed up now. The wind is starting to pick up again, so hopefully tonight we'll get blown home instead of fighting the wind. But yeah, see you guys at Anglesey. That'll be our next one for the rounds 1 and 2 of Drift Pro. Like, comment and subscribe, and let us know what you think.